Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a letterhead like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, I would like us to insert a shape. So the first shape that we are going to insert will be this shape here. So I'll gently place it here, rotate it this way, bring this one here. Alright, so I'll just have to remove the outline. And the shape field, I'm choosing this color. Alright, so I gently have to place it here at the bottom here. So I can easily reduce this one if I want to. So here, I'll pull this one to this side. Alright, so I'll just leave it this way for now. So let me zoom it in. So you can see that the diagonal line here, the one that goes from the top here to this side, it's too much. I don't want it that way, so that's where the shape edit points comes from. So I just have to go to the shape edit or edit point shape. So click on it. I have the edit points here. So you can see that there will be points. It didn't come out clearly, so let me bring it here. Let's go back there again. So you can see that there were points 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points. So I gently have to pull this one to this side. Alright, so I can do it this way. I think this way is more bad for our design. So I'll leave it this way for now. As time goes on, if there's any changes that we need to make, we'll apply it to it. Alright, so let me zoom out again. So I gently have to go back to the insert tab again. I'm going to insert another shape, which is the 90 degrees triangle shape. That's the right angle triangle shape. So I'll give it no outline. So the shape field also, I'm choosing this one. Alright, so let me gently use this one to do it this way. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. Alright, so again, I'll go back to the insert tab again. I'm going to insert another shape. So the shape that I'm going to insert is right here. So I gently have to come and draw my shape like this. Rotate this one to this side. I'm doing it this way. Alright, so I can gently bring it here, remove the outline also. So I'm giving it no outline. And the shape field, I'm choosing this color. So let me gently use this one. So let me increase the size. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. So I'm not done there. I'm again going back to duplicate this one. So for this one, I'll just right click here, go to the format shape. So I want to give it a gradient color, so I'll just go to gradient fill. So the first color here, I'm choosing this color. The second one, I'm going with this color. The third one, this color again, and lastly, this color. So let me gently place it here. Let me increase the height, the size a little bit. Alright, so I'm just placing it well. Alright, so I think I'm okay with it this way. So I just have to take this one, make another duplication, but this time around I'm just going to close in this one. So I'll bring in the height. Alright, so let me change the colors also. So the first color will be this one, the second color, the third color, and lastly the fourth color. Alright, so I'm going to gently place it here. So let me use my arrow key to push it down. Alright, so let me pull in this one in. Alright, so let me again take this one, make a duplication. So let's rotate that one. So we can bring it in here. So let me use my arrow key to push it down. Alright, so I'm not done there again. I'll just take this one, make another duplication to the top there. With this one, I'm just going to rotate here also. So I'll just place it here. So make another duplication again, rotate it again. I'll place that one also here. Alright, so I'm just going to insert our logo here. So I have the logo in my device, so I just have to work with this device. So which is here, I just simply have to insert it here. So I'll click on this one to wrap it on top of any text at all, so I can freely and easily move it around. So let me just reduce the size a little. Alright, so let's go and insert a text. So I'm giving it no outline, and the shape field also I'm giving no fill. So I'll gently type in my text. So the first text that I'm going to type in will be the company name. So I'm changing it to name. And here I think we can add a slogan. So let me just select all of it and align it to the center. So the first one, I'm just going to change the color to this color, and the layout also I'm reducing the size, the after, that's the space in between the company and the slogan. So the size I'm giving it 14. So this one also, let me just change all of it, the font of it to this one, and the size I'm giving it 14. The layout also I'm giving it 0. Alright, so let's gently place it closer to the logo. So we can use our arrow key. Alright, so let me move this one in. Alright, I think it's not bad. So let's again take this one, make a duplication here. I'm just going to change the text in there. So I'm changing it to Ferran Torres. The next one will be director. Let me change the sentence keys. Let me change the keys to sentence keys. And the color also, I'm changing it to black. I'm making it bold. Alright, so with this one, I'm going with the telephone. So I'm just going to add something like this. So we can add something like this. Alright, so let me just select both of this one, remove the boldness, and the sentence, I'm going with the sentence keys. Or let me just say lowercase. Alright, so let's duplicate this one also here. So we are changing that one to dates. So with the dates, I'm going with 00 October 2025. So I'm changing the color here to black. So again, make a duplication here. So let's increase the size of this one. Alright, so with this one, that place has to be where the body has to be in. but I don't have a body for my own. I'm just going to generate a text in there. So I'm going with rand. So I'll need 2 paragraphs, and each paragraph must consist of 3 lines. So I think I have something like this. Alright, so I'm changing the color to black. So let me take this one, make a duplication here. So I'm changing that one to name and the surname. So let me just select it this way, align it to the center, and the color I want it black. So let me make another duplication again, but with this one that has to be the signature, and there's only one font here that I know which really looks like a signature. That's the Edwanda script. So just click here, let's give it 36. So I'm changing the text there to James Bond. Alright, so let me insert a line in between this one, the name and the signature. Alright, so again, let's take this one, make a duplication here. So this one is going to be a telephone. Okay, so I have let me zoom it in. I have a telephone icon inside my device, so I simply have to just go to the insert tab, and I want to insert it inside a circle. So let me first of all insert a circle here. So I just have to come and draw my circle. So I'll give it no fill, and the outline I'm giving it black. So I have to come here. So the properties of it has appeared at the right side of my screen. So if you don't have it there, you simply have to just click on it and go to format shape. So it will be here. You go with gradient fill. I said gradient fill, picture or texture fill. So we have the picture source here. Click on it. So it will direct you to, if you have an internet connection, it will ask you if you want to work it online or offline. But I have it inside my device, so I have to work with offline. So I have it here, simply click on it and click insert. See, it has been inserted inside the circle. So let me now customize it, change the size to the way I want it to be. Alright, so I will gently place this one here. Use my arrow key to push it up a little. Alright, so I'm just going to duplicate the 2 of it. I'm selecting all of them. So I'm making a copy of it. Oops. To this side. So I'll take this one here. So I'm changing the text inside here. So I'm just going to go with anywhere country. Anywhere city. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. Oops. Alright, so again, you can see that this one, we have a phone icon inside there, but we don't want it to be a phone icon, we want it to be a location icon. So I have to just come and click on the insert there, go with all work offline. So I have it here, click on it. It will just remove the phone icon and bring in the location icon in there. So let me zoom out so I can see how everything looks like. So as you can see, everything is nice and fit. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.